What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a look at Verasity here, and as we can see, we're still heading down inside of this descending wedge that we are looking at here. You can see we've obviously left this in from yesterday, and it is still being perfectly respected. We are just heading down to the downside like this. We obviously had our El Salvador dump, consolidated nicely, and then we had an additional Evergrande slash China FUD dump, a bit of a relief rally, but we are continuing to just look like we are basically rolling over continuously, just heading downwards, really looking for that bit of support that we need to see, sweeping some of those lows that we are looking for before basically getting that relief rally and really getting this bull run back underway, which it looks like we are going to be doing fairly soon from what we can tell. Obviously September, always a bearish period in markets, but September is basically almost over. We've only got a few days left. And then once we go into October, we are strongly predicting that we're probably going to be seeing some nice rallies across the market, obviously with Bitcoin dragging most cryptocurrencies to the upside. So basically what we're seeing here, you can see it heading down inside of this falling wedge. We're obviously coming down to sweep some of these lows here at the 618. We're probably predicting quite a decent bounce here. You see we've got a decent rally over the past day or so. We come down, we touch the 618 here, we get the relief rally all the way back up from around, what was that 2.6 cent level, all the way to up around that 2.9 cent level, having an additional bit of a roll over here, with the markets looking quite uncertain right now. Obviously it looks as though we have basically been going sideways for the past few days, and it looks as though potentially we are bottoming out here. You can see if we look at our RSI, etc., we are getting down. We're heading down and down and down basically, aren't we? Potentially forming maybe some bullish divergences here on the hourly time frame. I mean, we've definitely looked as though we are getting quite oversold. And every time that we get oversold, we are expecting a bounce. Obviously, we had some bullish divergences back here where we did get some relief rallies back up to resistance. And, you know, sooner or later, we are going to come down, test this resistance properly, and then bounce and retest this area again. And obviously, the more times that we test that level of resistance of that wedge, the more chance of getting that break to the upside. And, you know, considering that how bullish the markets are probably going to be looking going into October, and also how bullish this chart is, I mean, this is pretty much going to be a textbook cup and handle from what we can tell, as long as we can sweep the lows at the 618, maybe come as low as the 050 here, do something like this, where basically we come down, sweep into this 050 area, basically come down and touch this macro support line. We've obviously got a bounce here. We've got our two areas here where we saw the bounce as well. We come back down, find support on that macro trend line there. And then if we come back down again, get a bounce here, that'd be really, really bullish for continuation, basically. And, you know, it looks as though Verasity is doing extremely well. Obviously, the chart looks amazing, in our opinion. A very, very bullish chart. So, obviously, in the short term, things haven't been great rolling over throughout September, but it was pretty much telegraphed that that would happen. And we do think we're going to be seeing some higher prices very, very soon. Currently looking to hold some support levels here. If we do hold the 618, it's going to be looking very, very bullish for continuation. So, short-term price predictions then. If we do come down back down to the bottom of our the bottom of our wedge here, looking something like this, you know, we could basically have a bounce at the 618 at around, what is this, 2.6-ish cents, which would be very, very bullish, obviously. But if we do roll over a little bit more, we've obviously got that 2.5 cent-ish level as a decent level of support as well. And if we lose these levels, we've obviously got the 050 with this macro uptrend trend line as well, coming in at around 2.1 cents, where we could see a very nice bounce pretty quickly. And then obviously we're stuck under this level of resistance right now. You can see here, stuck under this level of resistance. But if we come back up to around that 2.7 cent level, retest the support, break through it and head to the upside, we could be looking at some higher prices very, very shortly. And then obviously those price targets going up to that 0.78 at around 3.6 cents. We've obviously got 4 cents, 5 cents and the all-time high, all as short-term price predictions. And then as we keep saying, we do really think that Verasity, with its market cap being so low, that 50 cents to $1 is not unlikely in our opinion, which would only take it up to around, you know, I mean, it's not, the market cap for it's going to be pretty damn small, to be honest. I mean, what is it right now? 50, 100 million. So 10x from the current price, it's only going to take it up to like 1 billion. So 2 or 3 billion is easily going to take you up to 50 cents, $1. So we do really think this is a really top quality project. It's probably going to do extremely well in our opinion. It's obviously got a lot behind it and a working product, and it's basically, you know, it's forming up really nicely on the charts. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.